Hi, today I'm going to go through how to install Dropbox. I'm going to use the desktop version, and I'm using Chrome. So first thing I'm going to do is open the web browser, and then now we're going to search for Dropbox. And then we're just going to click on the desktop app, last one on the left on the browser. Waiting for it to load. Next thing we will click on download Dropbox in the browser, and now we will get to download. It's downloading, and then in the lower left hand corner you're going to click on it so it'll download and install, and then click yes for the app changes permissions, and it's going to initialize and download. It takes about 3-4 minutes or so. About 10 seconds remaining on install. And after it's completed and installed, it'll automatically open. It's installing now. Sorry for the delay, it just takes a few minutes to install and do what it needs to do. Okay, I think we're getting close. It's about done installing here, maybe just a few more seconds. Okay, it's finally installed, I believe, and it should open within the next 2 seconds. Very sorry for the delay. My computer is just being extremely slow. Like we're back in dinosaur age. Okay, I think we're finally there, so I think you should be able to click on it. Yeah, 1 second, so it's setting up now. So now it can give you the option of signing in with Google or using or just manually signing up like you're just new. So you can do the email and password. So what I'm going to do is just sign up. Put my name in here and put my email in there. And then for the password is you agree to the terms and conditions. You're going to click sign up. Alright, sorry about that. I'll have to change my. I didn't realize I had already had an email. So what I'll have to do is do another one quick. Let's see if this kid. Yes. So now it's successfully. You can you click on where it says open my Dropbox. This only came up because I did Dropbox previously for another video, so that's why this is coming up. But you should normally see this. I'm just gonna click on rename there. And right now it says welcome to Dropbox Carter, so you click get started, and then it's got the options of I just kind of go over what Dropbox is. So it's got those there. You got folders, you got files you can put in there, and everything you put in Dropbox you can also share it as well. And you can drag your files into the Dropbox folder. So you've got 2 options. You can do make files local or save and continue with Dropbox, or make files online only, save space with professional. I'm going to use continue with Dropbox, the one on the left. Alright, and then that is the setup of Dropbox, and I just want to go over some of the features. Some of the features are you can do file sharing, automatic organization of files, you can do automatic backup, and you can do it's accessible to all devices. So you can do it on desktop, tablet, iPhone, all your devices that you use. Obviously, there's file storage. You can do link sharing through email, email chat, or texting. It has online backup and file recovery, and it has permission management and password management. And that would be it for this video. I hope that you learned how to use Dropbox, and I hope you are going to use it in the future. Thank you very much.